Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the beauty and power of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited to have you with me today. Our word of the day is appreciate. It's a B1 level verb that means to value or be thankful for something. This is a word that can bring depth and warmth to your conversations. So, let's explore it together. To appreciate means recognizing the worth or importance of something or someone, or expressing gratitude for what you have. For example, you might say, "I really appreciate your help with this project," to show that you are thankful for someone's assistance. Or you could say, "I appreciate fine art," to express how much you value or enjoy it. Let's look at some synonyms of appreciate. These include value, cherish, and admire. For example, "I value my friendships deeply," or "She cherishes her memories of traveling abroad." Another example could be, "I truly admire your dedication to your studies." All of these words convey a sense of recognizing worth or feeling gratitude. On the other hand, antonyms of appreciate include disregard, overlook, and ignore. For instance, "He tends to disregard the importance of punctuality," or "I wouldn't overlook the effort she put into the presentation." You might also say, "They ignored the beauty of the landscape during their trip." These words highlight a lack of recognition or gratitude. In everyday life, we use appreciate in so many ways. It's a great word to express gratitude when someone does something kind for you. You might say, "I really appreciate you picking me up from the airport." It's also used to talk about understanding the value of things. For example, "I've come to appreciate the importance of taking breaks during work." It's also common in formal settings such as, "We appreciate your patience while we resolve this issue." Here are a few more examples of appreciate in action. "I didn't appreciate how beautiful this city was until I moved away." "She truly appreciates the support of her family. I would appreciate it if you could send me the details by tomorrow." So there you have it. Today we explored the word appreciate, its definition, synonyms, antonyms, and how it can fit into your daily conversations. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Word. Your support means so much to me, and I really appreciate you taking the time to tune in. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your feedback helps others find the show. Don't forget to share your own sentence using appreciate in the comments. I'd love to see how you use it. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.